What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we're discussing another fascinating video in which we selected the top spin mops available to you to make your decision easier. If you're interested in learning more about these products, go to the description to find out the most recent costs and details. Best overall, O-Cedar EasyWring. With its innovative 2-tank bucket design, this RinseClean spin mop helps in separating clean from dirty water for easy cleaning, but successfully removing dirt, grime, and 99% of bacteria with simply water and microfiber mops. They can offer a deep cleaning solution for all your house and floor cleaning needs. Also, having a built-in pedal enables hands-free wringing and uninterrupted cleaning while allowing you to regulate the moisture level on your floors. You could also save time and money by washing and reusing this microfiber mop head. Likewise, the triangle mop head's 360-degree rotation makes it easier to mop behind furniture and enables for better corner cleaning. Even better, its rotating wringer with foot activation enables hands-free wringing and controlled water discharge, so there will be no more stooping or damp heads. Best value, Simpli-Magic, $79,193. This is a good solution for people on a budget, with 4 included mop heads and a robust design. Although inexpensive, this hand ring spin mop has a number of advantages. This inexpensive mop has a durable stainless steel spin basket and mop handle, unlike some other cheap mops that are constructed of aluminum or plastic to save money. Since there are 4 machine washable, long-lasting microfiber mop heads already included, this structure is made to last, and as a result you won't need to buy any more parts for a while. The utility of this spin mop is also enhanced by its user-friendly design, as well as when the task is finished, a drain plug makes it easier to drain the bucket without making a mess. A built-in detergent container makes it simple to add soap as you go. Best for tile floors, BOOMJOY. Thanks to its detachable spinning bucket, this spin mop is simple to maintain. A rotating microfiber head on the mop rotates 360 degrees to clean the whole surface of your floor. And to assist you in cleaning tile, hardwood, and laminate floors, the mop's handle can be extended by up to 51 inches. With its cutting-edge 360-degree rotating microfiber mop head, you can quickly clean a variety of floors including laminate, hardwood, tile, vinyl, stone, and concrete. Plus here, it is also a revolutionary dewater hole that makes it easy to drain away water. As a consequence, when cleaning is complete, you won't have to hoist the bulky bucket. Overall, you can conclude that this spin mop from BOOMJOY effectively removes stains from floors while also performing well in application and coverage testing. Best for laminate floors, Libman. This has endured for decades because it is effective. Better than most rivals, but not nearly as good as our top pick. You can adjust the amount of moisture in your mop in 3 simple stages with this all-in-one mopping system. Any user's height can be accommodated by its sturdy handle, which also has a hanging hole for convenient drying and storing. Additionally, its easy-to-use mop and bucket system saves you time and effort, making mopping up difficult messes more fun. This microfiber mop head can effectively clean up by simply adding water. Plus, it also includes a microfiber head that is absorbent and can handle even the toughest spills. All things considered, we can conclude that this is a practical all-in-one mopping system. Best Accessories-HAPINNEX. Finally, we'll examine this setup to see how it stacks up against competing items. With its easy press mechanism, you can quickly spin off extra water by just pressing the handle against the bucket spinner. Its enclosed wringer basket prevents water splash out completely and only allows water to drain into the bucket, leaving behind a clean, fresh sensation with minimal splash. Plus, having a 360-degree swivel head, it also moves freely, rotating up to 180 degrees to clean under furniture and along baseboards. An anti-slip bucket, hand grip, and spin washer are also included for cleaning the dirt off. In addition to this, they also provide you with the extra cleaning brush accessory and 2 absorbent refills, which clean the difficult-to-clean floor.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.